Hi, welcome to our math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on standard deviation, the empirical rule, and normal curves. A baseball franchise finds that the attendance at its home games is normally distributed with a mean of 16,000 people and a standard deviation of 4,000 people. So it says about 95% of attendance is between blank and blank. I'm going to start off with I'm not going to do the whole normal curve, but if the mean is at 16,000 and then each standard deviation is 4,000. So the first standard deviation would be plus 4,000. That would bring me up to 20,000, and minus 4,000. That would bring me down to 12,000. The first standard deviation is 68% of the data falls within one standard deviation. The second standard deviation, so we subtract 2, that would bring me to 24,000. I'm adding another 4,000, subtract another, that's going to be 8,000. The second standard deviation, this is going to be 95%. So about 95% of attendance is between 8,000 and 24,000. What percentage of the games have attendance between 12,000 and 20,000? Well, that's that first standard deviation, as we see right there. That's one standard deviation, so that's 68%. These percents, 68, 95, that is the empirical rule. And so the third standard deviation, if we went out one more, this third standard deviation would be 99.7%. And the empirical rule talks about these three percentages for the first three standard deviations. What percentage of the home games have attendance fewer than 8,000? So fewer than 8,000. So we want to know, this is our 50% mark. If we fill in, if this is 68%, then this is 34, and this is 34. If we take 95 minus 68 divided in half, this is 13.5, and this is 13.5. So the question becomes, if we take 50%, subtract 34 to get to 12, subtract 13.5 to get to 8, then we are at 2.5%. We could have also taken the 95%. 100 minus 95 is 5, and 5% divided in half is that same 2.5%. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.